The G20 summit in Rome ended on Sunday with the adoption of a declaration, reaffirming the crucial role of multilateralism and international cooperation in overcoming the global challenges arising from the COVID-19 pandemic. The G20 Rome Leaders Declaration pledges to strengthen the common response to the pandemic and pave the way for a global recovery, with particular concern for the most vulnerable. The leaders of the world's major economies have pledged to use all available tools to address the consequences of the pandemic, sustain the recovery and remain vigilant to global challenges, such as supply chain disruption. Highlighting the essential role of vaccines in the fight against the pandemic, they vowed to advance efforts to ensure timely, equitable and universal access to safe, affordable, quality and effective vaccines, therapeutics and diagnostics, with particular regard to the needs of low- and middle-income countries. Regarding climate change, the leaders remain committed to the Paris Agreement goal to hold the global average temperature increase well below 2 degrees Celsius, and to pursue efforts to limit it to 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. The G20 members account for almost two-thirds of the world's population, over 80% of the global gross domestic product and 75% of global trade. The two-day summit was held both online and offline under the Italian presidency of the G20. Indonesia will take over the rotating presidency from December 2021.